Last year, 2024, I started investing with a new platform, Trading 212. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by them. My brother introduced me to this platform, and I didn't start until February to start putting money in. I should mention, however, that I wasn't entirely new to the world of investing at the time, but it was my first time with that platform, Trading 212. And for the first time, I stayed consistent, investing month on month throughout the year, something I never used to do. And at the end of the year, I gained a 40% rate of return on my investment. And within that 1 year, I started learning like crazy about stocks market because I love to be on top of anything I put my money in as an Ijebu girl. So I really, really wanted to do it right. I don't want to do it the wrong way. I know before then I have been investing the wrong way, and I don't even invest every month. It was something I do as the spirit leads. So last year I started teaching people about investing. I think I held my first class in December, and month on month after that, I have been doing this, and the feedback has been amazing. So today I will be sharing with you 4 steps to start investing as an immigrant the lazy way. I'm not going to complicate anything. It's not going to be a 2-hour long YouTube video. I'm going to keep it so simple. And trust me, you will be managing this yourself. So the first one, you need an investment platform to use. In the UK here, I use Trading 212, like I said, and this is largely because they do not charge commission fees. I also have an account with Vest. Vest is a US investing platform. So if you're in the US, you can check them out. Those in Canada, I heard Worth Simple is very good. And if you're in Nigeria, you can use Bamboo. I don't have an account with them. I also learned it is a good one. So whichever one you decide, just make sure you check the commission fees. Some platforms like Fidelity UK charges you when you buy and sell stocks. So be mindful. Whichever one you will be going for, make sure you do good research and be sure that you're comfortable with that platform. I am comfortable with Trading 212, and this is what I'll be using for the purpose of this video. Okay. So go to trading212.com or download the app to start, create an account with them. Just put in your email, verify your identity. I think this is very important. And then you choose an account type. They have 3 account types. If you're in the UK, you will see 3 account types. The first one is Invest. The second one is Stocks and Shares ISA. The third one is CFD. The Invest lets you to buy and sell stocks. And it's the same thing with the ISA. The only difference is that the ISA is tax-free. So if you're watching this from Ireland, you will not see the ISA. You don't have that option. And then the third one is CFD. This is high risk trading. I don't recommend it for beginners. I also do not use it. So if you're based in the UK, please start with the ISA. You have a limit of £20,000 that you can put in, and any gain you make on this will not be taxed. When I started, I was using Invest, which was one of my early mistakes. If you want to know the mistakes I made when I started investing, you should watch this video. I'll link it here. Okay. So the second one, now that you have an account, you need to add funds and you have to start investing. I want you to know that you can start with as little as you have, £10, £20, whatever, you can start. Technology has made it so easy to buy fractional shares. You don't need a lot of money to be an investor. Now, after funding your account, you're probably now thinking, what's the next thing? What do I have to do? What do I need to buy? You're a beginner. You don't want to lose money. You want to grow it. So my best advice is to buy an ETF. So rather than go for all the Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, and all those, you can buy everything. And with just your £10 or £20, you can buy everything. If you buy one ETF, which is a basket of shares, you will be exposed to so many companies. You're buying into so many companies. The most popular ETF you will hear people talk about are ETFs that are mirroring S&P 500. Example is SPY. You also have VOO, which is Vanguard S&P 500. There is VUSA. VUSA is also Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And if you're a Muslim like me and you're interested in only ethical and Sharia compliant ETFs, you can check out SPUS. You can also check out HLAL. And I did a video, if you want more options, I did a video on halal investing or Sharia compliant investing, and I'll link it here. So feel free to check it out. You'll see more options in that. The third thing you need to do is to set up automation. it is easy to start, but to continue is very, very challenging. So it is always advisable that you set aside, say, 10% of your income and stay consistent with that. But I would say choose a percentage of your income that is convenient for you at this time, and then you can work your way up to 10% or more on the Trading 212 platform. And I believe most investing platform, there is an option to automate the process. For my son's investment account, for example, I do not leave this to my willpower. Whether I like it or not, the money goes out of my account into their account without me thinking about it. So set up automation. This will help you with consistency, and you'll have one less thing to worry about. And then the fourth one, this is going to be a bunch of advice. Start today. If you plan to start tomorrow, trust me, there is a chance you wouldn't even get to it. Do your research before buying any stocks or ETF. I know I've given you some examples, but please still check it out. This would help you build confidence. You can use Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. Then start small. Avoid CFD. It is too risky. Stay consistent. You see, investing is like buying groceries, not perfume. So you have to do it monthly. And then stop checking the app. You see, the movements in the market sometimes may discourage you. I want you to know that if the stock market dips, the stock market will rise. And over the last 50 years, the S&P 500 has returned 7 to 8%. So don't worry. Just keep it in for a long time. If you need your money in like 1 year, 2 years, don't invest it. If you want to enjoy the full benefit of compounding, you have to be able to leave your money, say, like 5 years or more. And if you're thinking, I don't even have enough at this point, I don't even have any amount to put on investing, then you should see this next video. How to manage your money like the top 1%. And I'll see you there.